So good afternoon dear friends. How are you? So today we are going to start a new topic of grammar, that is tenses. So you all know what are tenses. There are three type of tenses. Tenses. So there are three types of tenses, right? First is past tense, present tense and future tense. So what is past tense? Past tense is what? The things, the actions which are done in past, which are already done. And present tense is the tense which is going on, in the present. And future tense is what? Which is going to happen, will be happen in future. So past, present and future. So today we are going to learn firstly about present tense. We are going to start present tense. Okay? So present tense. So there are four types of tenses in present tense. Simple present tense, simple present tense, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense. These are four types of tenses: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense, right? So first, this simple present tense. I speak. I speak. Very simple. That I speak. This is going on in present. Present continuous. Continuous means ing. I am speaking. I am speaking. Present perfect. I have spoken. I have been speaking. I have been speaking. So in the simple present tense, it is I speak. I am speaking. Pay attention, in the continuous tense, we have to put ing. And in perfect tense, I have. We have to use have with I, right? I have spoken. Present perfect continuous tense, I have been speaking. We have to add been and have in perfect, and continuous is ing. I have been speaking. Right? So first we learn about simple present tense. Simple present tense. So simple present tense is very simple. You can say I play, you play, they play. The earth is round. The watch is tickling. The watch tickles. Sorry. The watch tickles. See, he drinks tea every morning. I get up every day at 5 o'clock. My watch keeps good time. You have then again in simple present tense you have to express general truths. What are general truths? The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Honey is sweet. Honey is sweet. Fortune favors the brave. Now again in vivid narrative as substitute for the simple past tense. The match starts at 9 o'clock. The match starts at 9 o'clock. This is what? Simple present tense. This is what? Simple present tense. This is simple present tense. Now present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Pay attention. Present continuous tense means the present continuous tense is used for an action going on at the time of speaking. For a temporary action which may be actually happening of the time of speaking. So present continuous tense means the action which is going on right now at the time of speaking. Means if you are speaking that and you are doing also, that is present continuous tense. Means I am writing, you are speaking, they are fighting. It is very simple. Subject plus verb plus ing plus object. Right? Subject plus verb plus ing. You have to apply verb with ing. Like play becomes playing. This is verb and plus ing. Verb plus ing. Play becomes playing. Dance becomes dancing. You can apply ing in any type of word. Take a sing, singing, throw, throwing, fire, firing, anything. And then you can make any type of sentence using this formula. Right? You can make any type of sentence using this formula. Next. Next is what? Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to indicate completed activities in the immediate past with just. To express past action whose time is not given and not definite. It is used to express past action which is done just now. Just now. You have to use just. See, it has just gone out. It has just gone out. You can use just, you can use has with perfect. Right? It has just struck 10. It has just struck 10. Means the time is just 10 now. It has just struck 10. Now, Mr. Hari has been to Japan. Mr. Hari has been to Japan. Mr. Hari has been to Japan means he has just went to Japan, he has just stayed there just now. He has just been to Japan. And now present continuous perfect. Present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Right? Present perfect continuous tense. So this tense is used when an action which began at some time in the past and now it has just completed. Means the action which is begun just before and is completed just now. Right? He has been sleeping for 5 hours. He has been sleeping for 5 hours. He has been sleeping for 5 hours. Means he was sleeping. Sleeping was past. But he has just got up right now. We have to say he has just got up right now and he has been sleeping for 5 years. So has been is what? Perfect. And ing is what? Continuous. Present perfect continuous tense. He has just sleeping 5 hours. He has been doing, D-O-I-N-G, doing his homework. Right? He has been doing his homework. So these are the examples of present perfect continuous tense. In the next period we are going to learn about past tense, and now you have to write all these sentences again, right? You have to make examples of these 4 types of sentences, and I'll show me in the next period, right? Thank you.